Oh, good, there you are. Hope things are okay with you. I'm just having a mudflap day. This is the driver's side one. I've cut it out into the shape of the bits underneath, which are there. It's difficult to see, but trust me, that's going to go there, and this is going to hopefully fit. I cut it out from a cardboard template. Now normally these things are for lorries, so they're very stiff and difficult to work with. So what I've done, put some slits in the bottom so it's a bit more flexible. And it's going to sit in there. I just need, and it's going to fasten. Sorry, it's going to fasten to this bit here. A bit of bodywork there. Look, that bit there. So I just need to drill 3 holes and pop in some stainless steel screws. Yeah, that's all. So I'm going to crack on with that. It's probably going to be quite dull, so I won't have to do it all. So I'll get back to you in a bit. Oh, right, that's that one, and that's the driver's side. The 10mm nuts or self-tappers I'm using are actually off the internet. They're stainless steel, and they're from a Volkswagen Bug bumper. No, they're not. They're from Volkswagen Bug wing bolts. But to me, they're perfectly usable 10mm self-tappers. I've used 3 of them, so that should be good. It's not an easiest thing to do in the world, because when you drill your hole and you pull your drill out, you can't find your hole again, so you've got to mess about for a while. Right, so that's that side. I'm going to put the wheel back on and do it to the other side, and then I'm going to have a cup of tea. Well, you think it's a fairly simple job just slapping a mud flap on, wouldn't you? No, it's not. No, it's quite it's whatever you make it. Now, the ones I've made for Lollopy Dog are just straightforward plastic like this. But what I'm trying to avoid is spraying. It's okay having flat mud flaps, but it's all over the place. So the idea is spray suppression, so you don't get so much salty water blasting about underneath. That's the whole plan. At the same time, you've got to make it short enough so it doesn't catch on the floor and speed bumps, which the old ones did. Even the birds are joining in. Anyway, that's that side done. So I'll crack on, pop the old wheel back on. Do like some mucky thread marks on your sleeve, don't you? It's marvellous. Right, okay. See you in a few mins. There we go. That's that one done. I'm just going to pop some spray grease on the threads on the other side, and then jobs are good. And jobs are good. Hey, well done if you notice the damaged bumper. Yes, this front near side. It was damaged anyway, I knew that. And then on Sunday night, the night before we set off to Leavesden, caught the thing on the wall. So, big chunks fell out, the sharp edges everywhere. What do you do? I think it must have been repaired with plaster of Paris. Anyway, so panic. It's Sunday night. It's 6:30. We're setting off to do a large journey in the following morning, and the bumper's hanging in tatters. Right, so it's out with the glass fibre, obviously. Just slaps them on. And then I thought, oh, I'll sort it out when I come back. Well, I'm back. I've sorted it out. I've put another coat of black paint on. I thought, it's actually 10 times better now than it was anyway. It's lovely. Still the best looking repair in the world. Well, you can see there's the offending wall. So I thought, it'll be right. In true Yorkshire fashion, it'll be right. Well, I'll probably end up doing it again anyway, so that's fine. That's fine. I was going to change the bumper, and the other side's not bad. Quite fancy a steel one, to be honest, but too dear. Can't afford it yet. Can't really justify that expense. Plus, when you get the steel ones on, the washer bottle's kind of hanging out. Which seems to look alike when things are hanging out. Anyway, moving on. Yeah, okay, so we've got the front Mudflaps on. I still need to extend the rear ones because they're not long enough. The idea was to stop the water and the sprays splashing onto the back bumper, and it doesn't quite succeed in that, so I need to extend them a tad. But it's okay because I've got some bits left over I cut off from the front ones. So eventually it looks something like that, but probably about there. Now these are the bits left over I had to cut off for the front ones. They were too long where they were. It's all the wrong shape, it's not on straight, it's rubbish. So what I'll just do, before they fasten the other ones on, trim a line off, and then use some little T-brackets to connect the two together. You don't want them too solid in case catch something like a rock or a curb or whatever. So you need something that's flexible. So I'll slice that off and probably be about there. Then I'll stop all the crap going into the inside of the bumper and the lights, which always seem to be full. Yes, still got the back bumper to do. I'm going to put some beepers in. I've got to change this step. No prizes for guessing why. Right, that's marvellous. Right, I'm going to crack on now. Cup of tea next, I'm gagging. It's warm and sunny. it's like summer. It's lovely. Harry Potter, brilliant. Absolutely blooming fantastic. It would be even better if I lived 15 minutes away. I'd probably be there every weekend. So it's probably just as well I don't. Yeah, it's lovely. We love it. Don't know where the next trip will be. We fancied popping down for the Dark Arts, which is around about October, November, before it changes to Hogwarts in the snow, which is really sweet. That's nice as that. If you look on the previous videos, it will be one of those. We've only been about 5 times, and every time I filmed, except for this time we've just been. There's no pictorial record of it. This one was for me. I was looking at it with my own eyes. Yeah, they're lovely. When you see everything through a lens, it's you kind of miss stuff. Yeah, but good. Really enjoyed it. Food was good. We had a burger halfway around at the Backlot Cafe, and of course 2 butterbeers and butterbeer ice cream. Ooh, marvellous. Okay, I will recommend that. Right then, I'm going to crack on. So you carry on with what you're doing. Have a nice time. Don't get lost or squashed. Stay safe. And oh, thanks for watching. Yeah, that's great. Pass it on 10 minutes. Oh, ish, you will get back. I don't do refunds. Anyway, never mind all that. Take care everybody. See you soon, and I'll see you in a bit.